Okay, look at Tig. When they throw the football, which of course they're not doing, he tries to look behind to see where it went. He can't figure out where it is on the TV. Oh my gosh. So funny. That's one of his favorite spots. Tiggy, what are they doing? What is all that? You look very pretty up there where you're not supposed to be. And certainly over here with that flower situation. Fake flowers, you shouldn't do them. He has knocked that over 45 times. We've had a number of discussions about that action. Okay, look at the TV. Look at him. He's been doing that for a long time. I'm trying to see if they throw the ball. It is football, right? Throw the ball. Oh! And he's gone. Uh-oh. Well, he lived to tell the tale. That's all we know. That's the latest Tig. He's probably going to come over here and attack me. Oh, here he comes. Let's see. Tiggy, are you coming up? Oh, certainly is. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Look, he puts this cord in his mouth, tries to take it with him. It's attached to my phone. Little Blowy, what are you doing? Tiggy, look, hey.